Yes, guys, let me show you how to make over $1,000 a month just by selling digital coloring pages, guys. It's such an amazing niche or niche. You guys would love it. And this is where I like to kind of find all the best new niches that are coming out for digital products. And if you do like that kind of thing, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys, for all the new trending niches that I like to bring to you. So guys, without further ado, I'm on Etsy now, and you can see that I've just typed in coloring. Now, I haven't even said anything else, but look, it just gives you an idea of the things that people are searching for. So they're looking for pages, books, book digital, pages, digital sheets, pages for kids. You know, these are all different searches. And what is fantastic about my SEO software, which is called EVERBEE, is that it gives me an idea of the monthly searches. Now, I believe that this is a sort of growing niche, and I think what's good about it is the competition isn't as strong as something like obviously digital planners, which is good because you want to be able to rank on that kind of keyword. So let's just have a look at this. Can you make over $1,000 a month on this? Well, let me see. So let's have a look. Let's just type in coloring pages and let's see what the search results gives us. So coloring pages, and let's see how many the search results. So there's a few things I look for. Now, although the research, shows up quite a lot of results, to be fair, there is quite a lot of results on this. But let's just see whether you can actually make money from this. Now, obviously, you need to even niche down further. So it might be coloring pages for kids. It might be coloring pages for, let's say, a certain grade in a school. It might be for letters. It might be for history or English. So, obviously I can niche down and I can obviously get less results. But anyway, let's just have a look at this. These are all kind of coloring pages. Let's just take this, for example, the baby dragon one. So using EVERBEE, which is my fantastic SEO software, which you can try out, guys. I've got all the links to all my softwares in the description, but let me just analyze this listing very quickly. Let me click on this. Looks quite nice. So this one has a monthly revenue of 1,470. It has a estimated monthly sales of 280. This listing, guys, has only been there for 1 month. So it's only been up for 1 month, this listing. So it's quite new, and it's already making 1,470. Guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. Now, what I really like about also, using this software, SEO software, is that also gives me an idea of what tags they're using. Now, it's always good to get an idea about tags and also volume. Now, there's lots of volume. So, for example, it's telling me that Dragons has a volume of 4,517 a month. Digital download, obviously, 4,602. And then digital dragon coloring has a volume of 61. You can see there's a slight trend. It's kind of going up in volume there. Baby dragon coloring looks like there. So, it gives you what's really good about this. It just gives you an idea of how this person has managed to get the sales, because you want to understand what makes them stand out. The conversion is 3% and the visibility score is 100%, meaning that their SEO work is good. So then I start looking a little bit deeper into this. So obviously they're making money on this listing alone, which is great to see. And then I look at this, the images. This is a really nice image. It shows you the kind of sheets that you would get. And then, obviously you'd look down at all the other images, and then you get an idea of what you're going to get. And also maybe what can be produced. Obviously showing some really nice drawings or coloring in that has been produced, and really just giving you an idea of what you will get in terms of this pack. So, it's very clear, which is good to see. And then you've got also here the description about what it's about. So 24 Baby Woodland Dragon Fantasy Coloring Page Book. Printable PDF. Okay, so it's a simple 3 PDF files. And then I like to look at the reviews. So it's got 49 reviews for this listing, and then it also tells me how good it is. So it gives you a little bit of idea about what people like about it. Okay, So for example, on this review, it says, adorable, and I love that there's a light and dark option depending on what you're feeling at the time. So they've actually thought about and considered options in terms of the sheets that they can download. So I like to get tips and hints also. If I was to create something, I want to see what works. So you can see clearly that this is something that works. And then, I might look a little bit deeper into this, because obviously, like I said, I will use EVERBEE. And what I could do is, if I just obviously randomly just chose this one, which I found out makes over $1,470, which is fantastic. But if I wanted to use my software in a kind of smarter way, not just random, I would click Product Analytics. And then what I want to do is I will sift through this quite quickly. Now it's going to give me all the products that are selling coloring pages, or it's giving me the ones that are 64 of the listings that are selling coloring pages. And then I can start looking at a lot of detail. What I like to do, guys, is I like to just adjust this so that it shows me what's making the most money for coloring pages. Actually, funny enough, this one that I chose, that's crazy, is probably making one of the most. This one's making $993, almost $1,000, which is also pretty cool, guys, for a product. And look, what's interesting is these guys are new. So you can see it's a kind of, these guys are new to this niche, which is fantastic to see. So if these guys can get in there and they've started this about a month or 2 months ago, then that's a very good sign as well. They're favorites as well. They got reviews there. Look at the views that they're getting. Look, 12,000, 9,700 views. Look at the shop page. Their shop page is obviously, so they've obviously got other listings, right? And their shop page is much more. So, they've obviously found out that coloring pages is a good niche to get into. Their visibility scores there, which is really cool. Look at this visibility's conversion rate is 10%. So these guys are, that's a really good conversion rate. That means what they're showing you, their images and so on, must be really cool and people like it. But let me just use that second one, right, as an example, where the one that is the listing, the second listing, that's 2 months old, and that's making almost $1,000. And then actually I'm gonna go for this one. This one's about $745. This is 1 month old, guys. This is 1 month old. It's made 194 sales, and it's almost making $745 a month so far, because it's new as well. Don't forget, this is going to grow. But their conversion rate is crazy. Look, 10%, right? And don't forget, conversion rate is about when people click, does it convert into a sale? So something about it makes it sell. So I'm going to click on this, right? This is how I'm going to analyze it with my software. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at this a bit deeper. So this is the listing. Let me actually view it on Etsy, because I like to see it a little bit clearer, right? Look at this. Now, firstly, what catches my eye is they've got 30% off. So people like good deals, right? Which is good to see. And then what I'm going to just check out and see, just look at what the sheets look like. So they've got 5 various colors. They've got a video there. Fluffy heart. Nice video. Okay. But let's see what they're targeting for this one. Why is this converting so well? Because it's quite specific, guys. When you niche down, even within the coloring pages style, that becomes also quite interesting, right? And then you can learn more about the item, and you can see it's kind of giving you a little bit more detail. Okay, so you've got the kind of, if you like, the artist. Maybe people like this person, Mariola Budek. You can see you got the fluffy heart, and it says printable adult women coloring pages. So we can actually look a little bit deeper into this and look at why people like this. So you can see that people like this kind of art and like specifically this artist. As you can see from the reviews, it says she's a talented artist with amazing artwork. So, you know, this seems like it's an artist that people like. So you can see that it's a pretty much more specific niche. Hence why, you know, the conversion is so high, because people are actually probably looking for this kind of looking for her art. Okay, so if I analyze the listing again, and I'm going to look at the tags, because this is going to give me some more information. Here you go, and you can see that the tags are specific. So Mariola and Budek, obviously they have a volume anyway specific, and there are coloring pages and other kind of tags. So we can see the reason why this one's converting so high. And this is what's great about EVERBEE, is that you can sort of understand and gauge, you know, why things are the way they are. That there's a reason why this person is converting so well, is because they're probably looking, customers are probably looking specifically for this artist. Okay, but look, they've done fantastically well. Only 1 month they've been there, and they've got a fantastic, you know, almost $745 of passive income. Guys, don't forget, this is passive income. You know, this is something where, as you know, you'll get the money you get from this is pretty much there's no inventory, there's nothing that you kind of hold stock or anything like that. So most of this is going to be passive income and profit, because, you know, there might be ETSY fees and so on, but, you know, most of it is going to be profit, which is amazing. So yes, guys, coloring pages is a fantastic niche to get into, right? So I definitely think you should have a look at this. But like I said, guys, you know, you can try out the software for EVERBEE, just so that it helps you with SEO software. You could do it manually anyway, but it does make it a little bit quicker, and you can actually drill down and see exactly how well, you know, people are doing on this niche. So yeah, check it out on the link in my description if you want to, and try it out for free. But guys, if you do want to find out about new trending niches for digital products, do hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to check out 2 videos that will come up right at the end of this video. And I do have my playlist also, that also has loads and loads of videos for ETSY research and so on. Guys, I shall see you on the next one, so take care, and I'll see you again.